Hello, today I'd like to show you this castor oil pack wrap. So as you can see, you get like a 10 pack, so there's lots of them, and that's how it looks like when you're using it. So all you're gonna have to do is like stick it onto your belly pretty much. So that's how all of them looks like. So it's super easy to use. So it's actually like self-adhesive, so you remove this part and then you remove like this outer part right here, this white one, and this way it's going to stick to your body. And then in here, as you can see, it has different texture underneath. That's where you put lots of castor oil, and then you stick it to your body and you leave it on for as long as you want, and then you dispose of it. So ideally every single like this wrap will have to be used just once. Since they are disposable, I think they'll be very hygienic, and you can also take them with you when traveling as well. And of course it's skin friendly, like it's all very soft, feels very nice, nothing too irritating. So I think it will be great for anyone who'd like to detox their liver. So this castor oil wrap has multiple benefits, such as aiding in liver detox, lymphatic drainage, and colon cleansing, and it supports hormone balance, deep sleep, stress reduction, inflammation relief, and alleviates issues with leaky gut, constipation, and bloating.